Let's say probably you give a customer a wrong close or you lost someone close in your running business. So what will you do when somebody close got lost in your organization? How will you handle the situation? How will you handle the responses? On this video, I want to guide you on how possible way you can handle the issue. Once again, this is Pam's Laundry Academy. If you are seeing for the first time, you can kindly subscribe to my channel for more laundry hack and trick. And if you want to be a part of the academy, you can drop the question that I'm interested and will get back to you. Share the video and then save it for next time review. Thank you. Yes, many of the time customer close get missed. No laundry business is perfect. One way or the other, we always have a loss, but we always play a way to minimize the loss to barest minimum. So if customer close get missed in your office and the customer put you on call, sir, I did not see my polo and even my jeans, I didn't see it. What will you do as a manager? What will you do as the owner of the office? What will you do as the person that owns the place? First of all, don't panic. Yes, first of all, don't panic. Some customer can be in haste that even though the clothes is there, they'll begin to ask, I don't see them, I don't see them. Or probably you package the clothes, the way they imagine you to package the clothes, you didn't package it that way. Maybe the up and down, senatority will be in a better place. Maybe your worker is an apprentice or is a new person, don't know how to package, and now package one trouser in one other place, a packages one in one other place. You see, when a person now open the package line on, and they see only one the shirt, they see the trouser, the man will not go to go and check. First of all, will not call. So don't panic. Ask them to check again. Yes, ask them to check the again. Sometimes you can put a customer clothes inside the duvet and one inside the bag because you want to minimize maybe cost. And then when the customer got home, you don't say, I don't see my jeans, so ask them check again. It can be inside the duvet bag. So when the customer check, I didn't see the cloth inside the bag. That's now go to phase 2. Now begin to cross check, ask your worker, how is it possible? Begin to look the date and time of how the thing look like. First that I've checked, I didn't see to. You then begin to go back to your list to know who do you give close to that, who the person you give close to that same day. Maybe this man come today and this one come today again. P and A come today. You give A at 2 o'clock, you give P at 1:15. So you go to question, do I give P or A this one close? You will not call P and ask. And after you have called and asked, and this one say no, you didn't give me close, you didn't give me close, so it now bless unto you. Number 3, ask when maybe the clothes was stolen or the clothes is still in your office. So you got to check everything you iron that day, everything you wash and iron that day. You get to not all the own stuff, but the things you know you iron and you wash that period, within that period, check them. It might be in your boss, it might be in one place, it might be in one bag, it might be in one thing. Or maybe if it needs sit there, maybe someone stole the cloth in your environment, someone that stole the cloth. Okay, now the clothes have been stolen. So what will you do? The customer have called you. It has been 3 days now. I didn't see my clothes. What will you do? So what will you do? Don't be in the haste of telling your customer, okay, I'll pay the clothes for you. No, that is a wrong policy to do. Don't give it the edge. Let it flow from them. If you tell a customer, okay, hey, your clothes lost. Oh, sir, okay, I will buy the cloth for you. How much is the cloth? I say, I buy the clothes 20,000 naira. And then you will keep on buying clothes and buying clothes and buying clothes. That's how it is. So don't give the impression that you want to pay for the clothes, but let it be that you are consigned. Let it be that you are consigned, but not that you want to buy clothes. Unless it comes from the mouth of the customer. Let it come from the mouth of the customer that, this clothes you go buy that for me. No. This clothes you go buy for me. If it comes from his mouth that you should buy the clothes for him, yes, it's that bargaining, cargo divided by 2. So long the clothes have come to your office, you have bought the clothes once or twice, that clothes is not normal and new clothes again. So okay, boss, I go big, I beg, not this. I know I offend you, I beg. As a manager or as a clothing personnel, always take the blame. Don't put the blame in the hands of your boys. Take the blame. Even if you're not the one that caused the damage, take the blame. say boss abeg okay abeg I go pay the close at 20k I'll give 10,000 naira first abeg I'll pay am small small. Some person say no. Some people they will not ask time to say abeg pay the close but things paying them things hurting them e dey pay but they will not tell you say okay I wan me be na but I wan me be I may not vex I wan me be oh God this close suppose dey your you be panicking you be acting this drama it will be real that you really care oh this close I see the close oh how come ma call this guy again in his presence you will not pick call another person again in his presence call another person again even though you have already called them before just call strange number just call let him know that you really call people in his presence that will show that you are concerned about his cloth so any action you want to take again now try to minimize it now you now know that this thing e really get lost was not stolen you didn't hide it so you will not say no wahala abeg next time abeg no abeg so let you now cancel don't give them the impression that sir I will pay the close if you start paying people one close you pay 10 and if you keep on paying close how you have gain how you be able to go your already business how you pay your workers how you pay yourself how you buy things you want to do your already business so please this is how you be able to address it. I'm not advising you to begin to go and have the habit of losing customer clothes plus it will give you a bad review. Please try it possible not to misplace clothes and not to and lost clothes. I drop other videos in my channel. Check them if you know you want to go in another business. Check my channel. There are so many helpful videos there that will help you to grow. Keep them, save them for future purposes, and then it will help you. See you next week and bye.